Hi everyone, this is Edmund with a quick tutorial on how to install Google Analytics for your website. If you have any questions, you can contact me at edmund@iamlicious.com. And for the complete list of steps on how to optimize your WordPress website, please visit iamlicious.com/wordpress-optimization/ or click the link in the video description below. To install Google Analytics for your website, you have to visit google.com/analytics/ and click on sign in or create a new Gmail account. So if you have an existing Gmail account, you can just simply click on sign in. Here you can just select the Gmail account that you want to install your website for the Google Analytics. So in this case, I'll just select one of my accounts here, type in my password, click on sign in. So here you'll be required to sign up in order to start using Google Analytics. So you can just click on sign up. After you click on sign up, Google Analytics will ask you for your website details. So in this case, the account named, you can just type in one of the tracking IDs that you want to use for your website. In this case, my account will be TH, short form for typehealth.com. And then for the website named, I'll just type in typehealth, and my website URL, I'll type in typehealth.com. And for the industry category, you can just select one of the industry that you're in. So in this case, typehealth is health related, so I'll select healthcare. And the reporting time zone, you can select the time zone which you are living in. So in this case, I'm living in Singapore, so I'll select Singapore. So after you're done, here there are a few data sharing settings. It is all recommended. I'll uncheck some of them because I don't want my details to be shown to others. So I'll uncheck this too. But of course, the account specialist and technical support, I'll just leave it as it is. After you're done, you can just click Get Tracking ID. Here they'll ask you for the confirmation of the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement. Here you have to select the country that you're living in. In this case, I'm living in Singapore, so I'll select Singapore and click on I accept. After you're done, you'll have this tracking ID along with the tracking code as well. I'm going to install Google Analytics on my website with the help of a plugin. So just log into your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, click on add new. Here you can type in Google Analytics, hit enter on your keyboard. You'll see that there are a lot of Google Analytics plugins here. I'll prefer to use the one by Yoast, Google Analytics by Yoast, since it has the most number of downloads and the most number of ratings as well. So I'll click on install now, click on OK, click on activate plugin. So after you're done, you can just click on settings. Here they'll ask you to authenticate with your Google account, or you can manually enter your UA code. So I'll select authenticate with your Google account. Here I'll select accept. Please copy this code, switch to application and paste it here, and just copy the code, and you can just paste your Google code here into this field. Just right click and paste it there. After you're done, here are a few options. You can either choose to track outbound click and downloads, allow tracking of anonymous data, anonymize IPs. So I'll select track outbound click and downloads. Click on save changes. Here they'll ask you to select a profile. So in this case, I'll select this one, all website data, the existing account that I've created. So after you're done, you can just click on save changes. And the other tabs like universal, you can enable the demographics and interest reports, universal tracking if you want to. If you're not sure, you can just click on the question mark here. And of course, there are some advanced settings as well. The advanced settings, I'll just leave it as it is. The custom dimensions, I'll not use it, and the debug mode as well is not important. So for the universal, you can select the universal tracking if you want to. In this case, I'll just leave it as it is and just click on save changes. If you want to check whether Google Analytics is successfully installed on your website, you can use this website called gachecker.com. Key in your URL here and check your site. So you'll see that typehealth.com, which is my website, there's a tick on the Google Analytics. That means that Google Analytics has been installed successfully on my website. Alright guys, so that's basically how you install Google Analytics for your website. Simple, isn't it? So with that, I've come to the end of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at edmund@iamlicious.com and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you for listening and goodbye. See ya.